Osiris, the beloved god of the afterlife, brutally murdered by his brother Set, who then scattered Osiris's body parts across Egypt to prevent any chance of resurrection. But Isis, Osiris's wife and the goddess of magic, wasn't about to give up. She embarked on a perilous quest to find every piece of her husband. Isis travelled across the vast expanse of Egypt, guided by whispers of ancient magic and the help of her sister, Nephthys. Each fragment of Osiris's body was hidden in a different location, guarded by formidable dangers. First, she found his heart in the dark depths of the Nile, guarded by fierce crocodiles. With a spell, she tamed the beasts and retrieved the heart. Next, she discovered his hands buried in the scorching sands of the desert, protected by venomous snakes. With a flick of her wrist, she enchanted the snakes into a deep slumber and reclaimed the hands. Then, in the dense, ominous swamps, she located his legs, entangled in a web spun by giant spiders. Her magic turned the spiders to dust, and she secured the legs. In a forgotten temple, cloaked in shadows and ancient curses, she found his head. Isis had to outwit a sphinx guarding the temple, solving its riddles with her wisdom and cunning. Finally, in the heart of a bustling city, Osiris's torso lay hidden beneath a bustling market, protected by human guards. Disguised by her magic, Isis slipped through unnoticed and retrieved the torso. Piece by piece, Isis reassembled Osiris's body. Using her unmatched sorcery, she performed a powerful ritual, chanting incantations that echoed through the realms of the living and the dead. Osiris was resurrected, but only briefly. In that moment, Isis conceived their son, Horus, who was destined to challenge Set and restore order. Isis's journey didn't end there. She hid in the marshes of the Nile Delta to protect Horus from Set's relentless pursuit. She used her magic to create illusions, disguising themselves and weaving enchantments to keep Set's spies at bay. Each day was a game of cat and mouse, filled with danger and close escapes. As Horus grew, Isis trained him, teaching him spells and combat techniques, preparing him for the ultimate confrontation. When the time came, Horus, guided by his mother's wisdom, challenged Set. The battles were epic, with gods and goddesses taking sides. In the final showdown, Horus, fueled by the magic and love of Isis, defeated Set, claiming his rightful place as king. If you enjoyed this content, you may like this video on the Egyptian god Ra.